me down. You can fry an egg on the street. Heat waves are wiggling on the sidewalk. Cops are dropping like flies on the beat. I need a new lover to take me in, protect me from this humid air. Be you from Brooklyn, Staten Island, or Queens, I don't care. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you're the man for me. You can pour me a glass of Perrier. You can fan my fevered brow. You can rub me down with alcohol. That ain't enough, no how. You can lay me in a tub of ice. You can stand me in a cold shower too. But if you don't have an air conditioner, I will not go home with you. It don't matter kind of loving you're into, or how big your ego might be. All you need's an air conditioner, and you are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man for me. Bye bye, bye bye, ho, ho, ho. What's that you say? You live by the Hudson River, and a breeze blows through your door. Well, honey, if you don't have a Friedrichs in your window,